Botany. Today our topic flora and key. Flora. Introduction. Flora is the plant life in a particular region or time, generally occurring or indi- indigenous native plant life. The corresponding term for animals life is fauna. Flora and fauna and other forms of life such as fungi are collectively referred to as biota. Sometimes bacteria and fungi are also referred to as flora. Flora comes from the Latin name of flora, the goddess of plant or flowers. Flora classification. Plants are grouped into floras based on region, period. Special environments or climate region can be graphically distinct habitats like mountains or flatland. Flora may be divided by special environments, native flora, and agriculture and garden flora. Next, weed flora. What is native flora? The native and indigenous flora of an area. Agriculture and horticulture flora means the plants that are grown by humans. Next, weed flora. Generally, the groups that are considered as undesirable in any useful region are described as weeds and they are collectively called weed flora. Today, this concept is slightly modified, and this weed flora includes three different types of plant: weed species, invasive species, and native induced non-weedy species that are agriculturally undesirable. Many native plants presently considered as weed have been proved to be beneficial to various ecosystems. Document of flora. Few categories are in this documentation. The flora of a particular area of or time period can be documented in a publication also known as a flora, generally capitalized as flora. Floras required special botanical knowledge. Traditionally, they are books, but some are now published on CD-ROM or websites. The, the first book that used name Flora published by J. Michael Boehm by name Flora Science, but it covered not only plants but also some animals of the region. Few flora of categories are three types. First one, flora by content, flora by country, flora by region. Keys. The published flora often contain diagnostic keys or identification key. First one, identification key. In biology, identification key is printed or computerized device that aids at the identification of biological such as plants, animals, fossils, microorganisms, pollen grains. These are also used in identity, soil type, minerals, etc. Traditionally, identification keys are mainly in the form of single access key. These keys are restricted to a fixed sequence of identification steps, each with multiple alternatives, the choice of which determines the next step. If each step has only two alternatives, the key is said to be dichotomous, else it is polytomous. Modern multi-access or interactive key allow the user to freely those the identification steps and their order. Next one, single access key. In single access key, a branching key, the sequence and structure of identification steps is fixed by the author of the key. In this key, multiple alternatives are offered and these are commonly called leads. The set of leads at a given point is called couplet. Single access key may be printed in a various styles, for example linked, nested, graphical, are used as interactive keys. In linked style, each couplet is numbered and all leads follow each the other. This style is more suitable for long key and polytomous keys. Nested style consists of split leads within couplet and all couplets follow a given lead and also follow in display sequence. This style is much easier for experts. Graphical style consists of graphical elements and illustrates. It is very space consuming and it is used for short keys. It is useful for students as well as experts. Multi-access key. These key allow free choice of identification steps. This key allows to use the key to particular organisms and to the circumstance of identification. Next, methods. Keys are the conventional or traditional methods of identification. But now some conventional identification methods are also processed. The few of them are polyclave method, computerized method and other method. Polyclave method means it employs several characters of choice by the author of identification. Computerized method means identification is done based on series of logical steps using computers. Other methods, these includes chromatography, spectroscopy, optical sensor or are. Keys described in the initial description are also named identify and classified into two types: punched cards key and dichotomous key. Lecture 5 will be continued. Thank you.